Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss another set of topic, which is writing the general equation of the circle whose center and radius are given. So I assume that you already have knowledge on how to subtract and add fractions, and so also with how to expand binomial square or square of a binomial. So I have here examples to be shown in this video, which is our main task here is to write the general equation of the circle given the center and the radius. So for number 1, let us proceed directly. We have the center at 0.03 and the radius 4. So we already know that the coordinates of the center of the circle is defined by the h and k, and the radius is represented by the letter r. So our h and k is the center of the circle. So meaning to say 0 and 3 is the values for h and k respectively, and for the radius, that is 2. So the general form of the equation of the circle takes the form of x squared plus y squared plus ex plus by plus c is equals to 0. And in order to get the general form of the equation of the circle, we have to substitute the given center, values for the center and the radius, to the standard form of the equation of the circle, which takes the form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So here, the values of our center is h and k, so which are 0, 3 respectively. So we have to substitute that one to the standard. So this is the standard form of the equation. So we have x minus our h is 0, then squared, plus y minus our k is 3. So 3 squared is equals to our r, or the radius is, the given is, the length of the radius is 2, then squared. So that's it. We obtain this form because we just simply substitute the values for the center and radius to the standard form of the equation of the circle. So that is why x minus 0 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equals to 2 squared. We replace r, k, and h with its proper values from the given. So we have x minus 0, that is x, then squared, that is x squared, plus y minus 3, that is y minus 3, then squared, is equals to 2 squared, or that is 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Again, 2 squared, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Now this is the time that we are going to expand. In order to get the general form of the equation, we have to expand y minus 3 squared, or this is the square of a binomial. So the rule states that you have to square the first term, y squared, so the first term is y, then twice the product of the first, so twice the product of the first, so we have the first term is y, first term, and the second term. So our second term is negative 3. So we have to use bracket here, I forgot. Okay, so then plus the squared of the last term. So the last term is negative 3, then squared. That's it. Again, where did we get this one? The rule for expanding binomial squares, that square the first term, that is the first term, y squared. Then twice the product of the first and the second term, that is why 2 times y times negative 3. Then the last will be square the last term, which is equals to which is negative 3, then square is equals to 4. So simplify this one further, is equals to y squared, 2 times y, that is 2y, times negative 3, that is negative 6y, plus negative 3 times negative 3, or that is negative 3 squared, that is positive 9, is equals to 4. So we have here x squared plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 minus 4 is equals to 0. Where did we get negative 4? We just simply transferred 4, positive 4, from the right side to the left side. It will become negative 4. So from positive 4 transferred to the other side will become negative 4, then equals to 0, since our standard form, or general form takes this form. So we just follow this one. So simplify further, x squared plus y squared minus 6y. So 9 minus 4, that is positive 5, is equals to 0. So this is already the answer. This is already the general form of the equation of the circle given the center at 0.03 and the length of radius, which is 2. That's it. We have x squared plus y squared minus 6y plus 5 is equals to 0. Let us proceed for example number 2. We have the center at negative 2, negative 3, which is the value of our hk respectively, and the length of the radius is 4. So simply substitute that one to the given standard form of the equation of the circle, which takes this form. So substitute our h is -2, then squared, plus y minus our k is -3, so -3, then is equals to our given radius here is, we have 4, so 4 squared. We just follow the format. We just simply substitute h, k, and r from the given center and length of radius here. So we have to simplify this one further. X negative times -2, that is +2, plus 2, then squared, plus the same thing that you are going to do with here. So y negative times -3, that is +3, squared, is equals to 4 squared, that is equivalent to 4 times 4, so you will get 16. So simplify this one further. We have to expand both terms here, which are x plus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared. So expanding this one, you will get x squared plus twice the product of the first and the second term, then square the last term. Okay, we have here this one. Then from the other side, plus y squared plus twice the product of the first and the second term, then square the last term. Okay, I forgot to use bracket. We have to use bracket in this one to avoid confusion with parenthesis sign, is equals to 16. So now we have to simplify this one. X squared plus 2 times x, that is 2x, times 2, that is 4x. Then plus 2 squared, that is 2 times 2, that is equals to 4. Then plus y squared, 2 plus 2 times y, that is 2y, times 3, that is 6y. Now let us have positive 3 squared. We have 3 times 3, that is 9, is equals to 16. So simplify this one, or rewrite this one into the correct way of writing the general form of the equation of the circle, which is this form. So x squared plus y squared, we have x squared plus y squared. Then we have ex, so we have 4x here. 4x, then we have 6y. Then we have to combine 4, 9, and 16. So we have plus 4 plus 9 minus 16 is equals to 0 in order to satisfy this given general form of the equation of the circle. So we have here plus 4 plus 9 and negative 16. Why becomes negative 16? Because positive 16 transferred to the other side, it will become negative 16. So we have x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y. So we have 4 plus 9, that is 13, minus 16, so that is negative 3, is equals to 0. So the given, the correct answer will be x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 6y minus 3 is equals to 0, given the center, which is negative 2, negative 3, and the length of radius, which is 4. So this is already the general form of the equation of the circle, whose given is the center negative 2, negative 3, and radius of 4. So let us move to example number 3. We have here x minus h squared. Rewrite again the standard form of the equation of the circle. So our h here is negative 1/2, our k is negative 2, and our radius is the square root of 3. So substitute that one. X minus, okay, again let us use bracket. X minus negative 1/2, since that is our k, then squared. Our k, our h here is negative 1/2, that is why it becomes negative 1/2, plus y minus negative 2 squared is equals to, our k is negative 2. So then our r is square root of 3. So square root of 3 squared. So we have x minus negative 1/2. So x negative times negative 1/2, that is positive 1/2 squared, plus y negative times negative 2, that is positive 2 squared, is equals to square root of 3 squared, that is square root of 3 times square root of 3. Okay, so let us have expand this one. Again, the rule is that square the first term, then twice the product of the first and the second term. So you are going to multiply by 2 the product of the first and second term. So 2 times x and 1/2. So plus square the last term. Okay, squared, then plus the same thing that we're going to do here. We have to square the first term, then twice the product of the first and the second term. So we have this one, then square the last term is equals to square root of 3 times square root of 3, that is square root of 9. That is square root times square root, that is square root. 3 times 3, that is 9. So we have now this form. So we have now this form after we expand binomial square here, and then we simplify this one. So let us proceed. X squared, rewrite x squared here. Okay, this one. Then plus 2 times x. Again, that is 2 times x, that is 2x. 2x times 1, that is 2x, then over 2. 2x, 2 times x, 2x, then times 1/2, that is 2x over 2. Plus 1/2 squared, you will get 1 over 4. So that is 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 2, 4. Since that is 1/2 squared. Okay, plus y squared. So we have here plus 2 times y, that is 2y, times 2, that is 4y. Then we have 2 squared, that is 2 times 2, is equals to 4, is equals to square root of 9, that is 3. Again, square root of 9, that is 3. So we have to simplify. We have to rewrite this one in the correct way of writing the general form of the equation of a circle. So we have to write first the x squared, followed by y squared, plus y squared. Then we have here 2x divided by 2, or that is 2 divided by 2, cancelled out 2. Then the remaining will be x. Then we have followed by y, so we have plus 4y. Then we have the constant 1/4 plus 4 minus 3 is equals to 0. Where did we get negative 3? We just, if we transfer positive 3 to the other side, it will become negative 3. Where did we get this form? So we just follow the ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. X squared plus y squared plus of the general form of the equation. So we just follow this format. So now let us simplify this side. So we have x squared plus y squared plus x plus 4y. So we have 1/4 plus 4 minus 3, that is 1/4. 4 minus 3, that is 1, is equals to 0. So x squared plus y squared plus x plus 4y. So plus 1/4 plus 1. So this is, we have to get the LCD, or the least common denominator. So we will get, we have to get the denominators between 1/4 and 1. The least common denominator. So the least common denominator between 1/4 and 1 is 4. So we have 4 divided by 4. We have 1 times 1, that is 1. Then plus 4 divided by 1, this is over 1. All whole number is automatically over 1. So 4 divided by 1, that is 4. Then times 1, that is 4, is equals to 0. So we have to simplify this one further. So x squared plus y squared plus x plus 4y plus 1 plus 4, that is 5. Then over 4 is equals to 0. So this is already the answer. The general equation, or the general equation of the circle, x squared plus y squared plus x plus 4y plus 5 over 4 is equals to 0. Whose center is negative 1/2 negative 2, and the length of the radius is 3. So last example for this video, we have this one. So again, just directly substitute that one to the standard form of the equation of the circle. So our h here is negative 1/2, our k is 3/4, and our r is 2 square root of 2. So just simply substitute that one. So our h is negative 1/2, then squared, plus our k is 3/4 squared is equals to our r is 2 square root of 2 squared. So we have to simplify. x, rewrite x. So negative times negative 1/2, that is positive 1/2. Then squared plus, we have y minus 3/4 squared is equals to 2 square root of 2, that squared, that is 2 square root of 2, or similarly equals to 2 square root of 2. Okay, 2 square root of 2 squared, that is 2 square root of 2 times 2 square root of 2. Now let us proceed. Let us expand this one. So again, the rule states that square the first term for this one, then twice the product of the first term and second term. So twice the product of x and 1/2. Then square 1/2. Plus, for y, we have y squared plus twice the product of y and negative 3/4. Then square the last term, which is negative 3/4, is equals to 2 square root of 2 times 2 square root of 2, that is 2 times 2, that is 4. Then square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is square root of 4. Okay, so let us continue here. So simplify this one. We have here x squared plus 2 times x, 2x times 1, that's 2x, then over 2, then plus 1/2 squared, that is 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 2, that is 4, plus y squared, then 2 times y, that is 2y, times negative 3, that is negative 6y, over, we have 4, then plus negative 3 4th squared, that is negative 3 times negative 3, that is 9, positive 9, then 4 times 4, that is 16, is equals to 4, then square root of 4, that is 2, so times 2, again square root of 4 times square root of 4, that is 2. Okay, so we have here combine like terms. We have to combine 1/4, 1/6, and this one. So we have here and simplify x squared plus 2 divided by 2, that is 1, then x plus 1/4 plus y squared minus 6y divided by 4, we have by 2 you will get 3, and that is 2, so we will get 3 over 2 y plus 9 over 16 is equals to 8. So combining 1/4, 9 over 6, and 8, you will get x squared plus x plus y squared minus 3/2 y, or 3y over 2, plus 1/4 plus 9 over 16 minus 8 is equals to 0. Where did we get negative 8? If we transfer positive 8 to the other side, it will become negative 8. So writing the correct way of writing the general form of the equation of a circle, so we'll get x squared plus y squared, then followed with x plus x, then y minus 3/2 y, then plus the constant. So we have here now 1/4 plus 9 over 16 minus 8. So we have to get the LCD. So the least common denominator between 1/4, 16, and negative 8. So negative 8 is automatic over 1. So is 16. So we have to divide 16 by the denominator of each fraction and number, I mean. So we have 16 divided by 4, that is 4 times 1, that is 4, plus 16 divided by 16, that is 1, times 9, that is 9. Then we have 16 times, so we have 16 divided by 1, that is 16, times negative 8, you will get negative 128 is equals to 0. So let us simplify this one further. X squared plus y squared plus x minus 3/2 y. So you will get 4 plus 9 minus 128. So 4 plus 9, that is 13, minus 138. Since I mean 128, you will get negative 115 over 16 is equals to 0. Since negative 128 is greater than 13, so subtract 13 from negative 128. So negative 128 plus 13, you will get negative 115. So this is now the general form of the equation of the circle whose center is at point negative 1/2 3/4 and radius of 2 square root of 2. So this one. Okay, that is the process. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand something from my explanation. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and God bless everyone.